Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I recently purchased some papers from Blvd. This is part of their My Life 365 collection. This is a really fun collection that you can use for every month of the year. So there's one sheet that has cut-aparts, these are double-sided, and then there's another sheet with patterns that coordinate with the cut-apart sheet. You can purchase all of the papers in their collection kit, which also includes a sheet of stickers. Since I'm not interested in all of the months, I decided to purchase the papers individually. When I saw this collection, I knew it would be perfect to make seasonal and holiday cards for retirement home residents. For January, I purchased 3 sheets, 2 of the cut-apart so I could use the front and back. For February, I purchased the cut-apart and the coordinating sheet. And if I end up not using some of the cut-aparts, I can always use the pattern paper on the back side. The back side of the February cut-apart sheet has the sentiment love all over it. And here's a look at the coordinating design sheet. Lots of conversation hearts, then we have hot air balloons and rainbows. I didn't purchase March since it's basically focused around St. Patrick's Day and I really don't make St. Patrick's Day cards. So I do have April. Love all the fun spring and Easter designs. And I was super excited to see that Blvd even included a Christian sentiment. You don't always see that with Easter collections. I purchased 2 of the cut-apart sheets. I love this fun whimsical floral design. And I also purchased 2 of the coordinating sheets. One side has pink Easter bunnies, eggs, and carrots, and the opposite side has colorful raindrops. I didn't purchase the May collection since it's really focused on Mother's Day cards, and that's still really hard for me after losing my mom a couple years ago. But it does have a lot of fun spring images. I do have June, but for some reason I have these in the wrong order, so I'll show you July first. I love making patriotic cards, so I did purchase a few extra sheets of July. I have 2 of the cut-apart sheets and 2 of the coordinating designs. My card making goal this year is to complete all of 2025 cards going to the retirement home along with the 2026 cards. I know that's a big task, but I think I can do it. So here's a look at June. I only purchased 1 of each of the sheets. I have the cut-apart. It does have a couple of dad sentiments, but on the back side it has this bright, cheerful plaid design. And then the other one has popsicles and tone-on-tone waves. So 2 more months that I didn't purchase, August and September. August is summer themed and September is school themed. I really don't need school cards anymore. I purchased October, so here's a look at the fun cut-aparts. And I love that Blvd has cute Halloween collections and not scary. I purchased 2 of the cut-apart sheets. The back side has pumpkins, and you could use those for fall or Thanksgiving cards. I bought 1 sheet of the other coordinating October. One side has witches, pumpkins, ghosts, and the other has candy. So moving on to November, I did purchase 2 of the cut-apart sheets, mostly because the back side features these beautiful sunflowers, and I love sunflowers. But I also really enjoy just making fall cards. I purchased 2 of the other coordinating sheets. We have rainbow stripes and also this fun assortment of fall leaves. So the final month, December, super cute design. I love that it included pink along with the traditional colors. I have 2 of the cut-apart sheets. Here's a look at the different images. There's larger cut-aparts, the tags, and some of the border strips. On the back side, lots of fun candy canes. And I have just 1 of the other coordinating sheets. One side has Santa and the ho 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 sentiment. On the back side, there are postage stamp images with different Christmas icons. So there are all the individual sheets I purchased of the My Life 365 collection from Bella Boulevard. They also have a coordinating ephemera icon pack, and I did purchase 2 of them. The pack includes 172 die cut pieces, and they're all mixed in the one pack, but they're designed to coordinate with all 12 months. I'll go through them quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. My thought when purchasing this collection is that with the pattern paper, ephemera, and cut-aparts, it would be very easy to make a bunch of holiday and seasonal cards. And this collection has so many cute images, and the colors are bright and cheerful. I'll spread out the ephemera pieces so you can get an idea of what's included. I'm not going to lay them all out individually though. There are a lot of pieces included. Lots of beautiful flowers. There's the cute haunted house, a bee mine hot air balloon, fun little 4th of July truck. There's a flag, a tie, lots of fun Christmas images. I love the little winter snowman. There's a sweater, little pumpkins. The ephemera pack includes a great variety of images, and there are quite a few small pieces. There's stars, flowers, and hearts, and those work great as embellishments. I purchased 2 packs, that way I could easily make duplicates of the same card. I will go through and separate out the different month ephemera pieces. And I also wanted a way to keep the papers with the ephemera all nice and organized. I found this by Total Tiffany. It's the double-sided duo 2x1 storage sheets. It includes 10 sheets, which is perfect since I didn't get all 12 months of product, other than the ephemera that's included in the pack. It's basically a page protector, double-sided. There's a full-size pocket on one side. It does have a flap, and on the other side it has 2 pockets with that same flap, so I can keep all the ephemera pieces in those smaller pockets. The storage sheets are designed to work with the scrap rack, but I think it'll work just fine in a 12x12 3-ring binder. I'll grab just a few of the ephemera pieces, pop them in the shorter pockets, and then on the other side, just lift up the flap and the 12x12 paper slips right inside. The flap does close, but I think it will fit better if I trim off the label on the end of the paper. The storage sheets will be nice to help organize all the different months. I can simply grab one sheet and get working on cards. I know I'm a little late for starting this year. I'll probably save the January for the end of the year and then focus on them for next year. So I'll start with the February paper and coordinating ephemera. So I've already gone ahead and separated out all of the collections with their coordinating ephemera. We have January, and as I mentioned, it is a little tight to close that flap, but it still works just fine. Put all of the ephemera on the back side, and I separated out both of the ephemera packs. Took me a little bit of time. And this time I'll put June before July. Really not sure why I have those in the wrong order. So after separating all of the ephemera in the coordinating month, I do have 4 months, and I put them in separate Ziploc bags. March, I probably won't use it all since it is basically St. Patrick's Day. Same with the back to school. If my daughter was still in elementary school, I'd probably keep the back to school, but she's high school now. May, which was Mother's Day, and August, which was summer, I will keep those since there's lots of spring and summer images, and those will work with other Bella Boulevard collections. I'm really excited to use this collection. I'll probably do a separate video for each month. I think the cards will be fun and cheerful, and hopefully it will brighten the day for the retirement home residents. If you are interested in purchasing My Life 365, I do have links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.